it's Tiffany, and today we're gonna unbox the Ultimate Space Ranger. I found this on Amazon from my friend on Instagram, Toy Story Mom. She's really awesome. You should follow her if you haven't already. I love that it comes with these like boots and everything. So this is really awesome. Some other options here where they have the aliens. I'm sure you already have those. So you get the blaster, claw, low gravity boots, helmet, and a jetpack. And you get Buzz, and he talks, and he makes lights. Instructions in case you need them. Takes 3 button cell batteries. There's his hand. Good. Got a claw, pair of low gravity boots, jetpack, a blaster, and we have a removable helmet. Helmet has like all these like little like images on it showing like direction, speed, stuff like that. Anything that a spaceman would need in space. And he is posable, pretty posable for a talking figure. Oh, we have this nice like clear detail over here. Let's press the button and see what he sounds like.
All spacesuit upgrades complete.
Ooh, this lights up.
Mission complete. Buzz Lightyear, signing off. Greetings, Space Ranger. We have a mission. These hyperspace wings are the finest of their class. Sensors indicate this atmosphere requires analysis. Closing helmet. Treads, activate. New standard issue Space Ranger claw. Impressive.
Oh my gosh.
Blaster, fire. Star Command, what's my new mission? Over.
This is so great. These are all like new sayings.
Mission complete. Buzz Lightyear, signing off. To infinity and beyond. Sensors indicate this atmosphere requires analysis. Closing helmet. New standard issue Space Ranger claw. Impressive.
And it does sound like Tim Allen's. Nice and posable. Let's put the helmet back on. Let's get him all suited up. Snaps into place. And these snap right on. Then we could put all of our accessories on. Put the jetpack on. And now your kiddo can fly throughout the Gamma Quadrant with ease. This is a really great addition to your collection if you are a collector, and if you're a parent looking for a new Buzz Lightyear toy that is pretty much very, very different from the rest of them, from the Toy Story 4 ones. I would definitely consider this one over anything else. It has a lot of fun accessories, makes lights and sounds, fully posable, and does everything any other Buzz Lightyear figure would do. Let me know what you think of him in the comments below. I think he is awesome, and I'm so happy. Guys, have you seen the new Pixar toys that are out at Walmart? There's a new 7-inch line of Pixar toys. I saw on Instagram, a friend of mine, Dan the Pixar fan. If you don't follow him, I'm sure you already do. But if you don't, give him a follow. He posts some great content, also a lot of Disney, mainly Pixar. Big Pixar fan, hence the name. And he posted that he found Mr. Incredible, he found Mike Wazowski and Boo, and he found, who was it? Wall-E, too. Oh my gosh, so awesome. Guys, let me know what you think of him in the comments below. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Treads, activate. Stand back, cadet. I'll protect